Dati nga akala ko Christy Nang ang basa dito. But anyway, welcome to my mini vlog. Today, I'm showing you my current obsession, my Christy Ang bag collection. If you love practical but chic mommy style, this one is for you. First up, we have Alesso. Ito yung unang binili ko sa brand na to. She is giving total corporate mommy vibes. Sobrang sleek, structured, and sophisticated. Ito yung gamit ko every time kasama ko si Lexi kasi nga, it fits her iPad. Yung phone ko, wallet, and makeup kit at marami pang kasya. Next is Pedro. And honestly, she is my favorite. Ang ganda ng minimalist aesthetic niya. Super clean. This is the bag I use for traveling or long walks. And it's super lightweight but surprisingly spacious inside. Bagay siya sa kahit anong casual outfit. Perfect din siya kapag may kasamang chikiting dahil hindi mahirap pitpitin. Moving on to Giorgio. This one naman, I use it when I want to feel a little extra cool and trendy. Sobrang unique ng design details and stitching nito. It's perfect for date nights with the hubby or coffee with my girlfriends. Pwede siyang handbag or pasling, kaya perfect din pang errand bag. Mukha lang siyang maliit pero girl, spacious siya inside. And hindi ko lang gusto dito is medyo maliit yung mount niya. Since malaki yung kamay ko, nahihirapan akong kumuha ng gamit inside. But still, it's a great buy for me. And finally, meet the bunso, the Mini Russell. This is Lexi's bag and honestly, gusto ko siyang hiramin. Super compact pero very functional. Pwede siya for quick errands, coffee runs, kapag keys, small wallet, and phone lang talaga ang kailangan kong bitbitin. It is tiny, pero grabe, huge fashion statement to. And that's it. Pinag-iipunan ko na yung next bag ko from Christy Ang. And if you also like the same brand, share mo naman sa comments what you love about it. And kung umabot ka nga sa part na to, maraming salamat for watching and I hope to see you on my next videos.